Hello everybody, how you doing? It's Jono back on the Absolutely Savage YouTube channel. Now, a couple of months ago, I put a video out there which helped show you how to transfer content from your iPhone to your Samsung phone or your Android, or any other Android phone. So today we're going to be doing the exact opposite. We're going to be transferring content from the Samsung phone or an Android phone to the new iPhone 10. Hope it helps. So the first thing that you're going to want to do even before you unbox that brand new iPhone is to download the Move to iOS app from your Android phone, whether that be Samsung, OnePlus, HTC, Sony. Get it downloaded because actually it's the sort of the main crux on how we're going to transfer your content from the Android to the iPhone. One of the other things that you're going to want to look at doing, and we'll look at this a little bit later on in the video, is making sure that your photos are backed up to an app called Google Photos. You don't have to use Google Photos. You could use any sort of backup app, Dropbox, OneDrive, those sort of things. But Google Photos is pre-installed on your Android phone, so it makes it very, very simple. So you've gone ahead, you've got your Move to iOS app downloaded, you've got your brand new iPhone 10 out of the box, so we're going to set it up. Go through the normal setup procedure, which is obviously selecting your language, selecting the Wi-Fi connection that you want it on, so on and so forth. Now that we've got the phone connected to Wi-Fi, you're going to be presented with all the security options, Face ID, passcode. Skip that, you come back to it. It just makes things a lot easier. Now we've got the perfect screen. This is fantastic. Hit that Move Data from Android button. That's right. It's absolutely already built into iOS. This is why it's going to make it so easy for you to transfer your content from your Samsung. So once you're set up, you've got your app on your Samsung or your Android phone, you've got the app pre-installed on the iOS. What you need to do is connect the two phones together. It's really, really simple. Just hit the code that you see on your iPhone, tap that into the Android phone that you've got. Once the phones are connected, the Android phone will pop up with a bunch of options for you to select what you'd like to transfer. Now I'm going to deselect the camera roll purely because I don't want all the photos, the 8.6 gigabyte of photos, transferred onto the iPhone because I already have them backed up, like I mentioned earlier. If you haven't got them backed up and you want them physically on the phone, obviously use that option, but it will take a little bit of time to go across. Now this is the really great part in the procedure where actually you get to do nothing. You can go away, make yourself a cup of tea, have some food, watch some TV, do whatever you like, because all you need to do is sit there and let the phones do their thing. It will transfer all that content that you selected, and then you'll be able to set the phone up as you normally would with your extra security, signing into any accounts that you would like to do so. And now that the phones are finished transferring content, the iPhone will now allow you to add apps that were on your Android device. What that will do is it will search the iPhone App Store for the exact same apps that you had on your Android phone and then queue them up for download, which is fantastic. You can see here that it's transferred my contacts across, all my messages have come across, calendar information, internet browsing history, fantastic. Now obviously I didn't transfer my photos across because I didn't want them taking up my space on my new iPhone. I already have them backed up on Google Photos, as you can see. So what I'll be doing is using the Google Photos app and just having them backed up via Google. So we'll have a look now on the iPhone. I've downloaded Google Photos, I've signed in with my Google accounts, and all of the photos are exactly the same. They're all there, which means that they don't have to take up all of my precious space on my new iPhone 10. I can take new photos and fill it up that way.